Hi guys, and let's get right into the video. So first of all, I'll be washing off my aloe vera. If you I got this aloe vera over 2 days or 3 days now, so it's beginning to dry up, but preferably you can just get new ones and use them immediately. So I've washed them for the first time, and I've washed them twice, and this is the third time that I'm washing it. So all I need to do is just chop it into two. Not into two, actually, just chop it with the back and all. This part you have to throw them away, and you can also choose to cut off this part. Now, depending on how strong your blender is, you would choose to cut it smaller or bigger. My blender is quite old, so I won't be cutting it too big so it could actually blend properly. I don't know if you noticed I have two different species of aloe vera, this and this. You could see the difference. This has a lot of white spots on it, and this one doesn't really have white spots. But it doesn't really matter the species of aloe vera that you have. This is literally the fastest and quickest hair growth oil you can just make. You can even go ahead to cut this directly into your blender. Now, having done that, I will bring my blender forward and show this all into the blender. I have to wash this again because it touched the table. Now the next thing we'll be using is olive oil and baby oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You need a lot of oil for this process. Now I'll be adding rosemary. To this mixture, a bit of cloves. Now this is what our mixture looks like after blending it. And I'll be transferring it to a pan and then boiling it for 10 to 15 minutes until the water evaporates totally. Now I boiled mine for exactly 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes this is what it looks like. You would notice the oil is at a different part while the thick substance is on the Chevy, the stainless steel pan. But you're not going to throw this away. We're going to let this cool all together and then we'll sieve it out. So let's let it cool for some time before we sieve it out. After a while, I will be transferring it to a bowl first, or you can use any kind of sieve that you have. I'll be using this particular sieve because it's double, and sorry, I'll double it. You can triple it, whatever way you want to do, and then you pour your oil slowly, everything. So I noticed that the particles are entering here. I don't want that, so I'll have to make my sieve bigger. And you can notice the particles. I don't want these particles. Now I'm going to sieve this again using this sieve and another sieve. Now I'm doing this several times because I do not want any liquid or water to be in my oil. So I'm going to boil this again, and when the oil separates again from the aloe vera juice, I'll do that thickness, then I'll sieve it one more time. So now you can transfer your oil into any container of your choice. I have this old container of baby oil and I'll be transferring my oil into it. You can see how luscious this green oil is. Literally green oil. I mean, you don't have to lie about it being aloe vera oil. It looks like aloe vera oil.